Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your sister Farina here, and I'm excited to share an amazing project that I'm really passionate about. And I would like each and every one of you to be part of this. This project addresses a crucial need in our community: the youth transformation and leadership development. We need the Ummah of tomorrow to become the leaders of the Ummah. We want our youth to become the trendsetters, the trailblazers, the people who excel in every field of the community. And this project that I'm talking about addresses the same need. We need the leaders of our Ummah tomorrow to be a full package Muslim, skilled, educated, competent, confident, and whatever you can think of in a human excellence. We want the Muslim youth of today to become a transformed Muslim leader tomorrow. The project is exactly suitable for you and your child, and I would like you to be part of this journey with me. I am looking for a 1,000 donation from each parent who is listening to this. $1,000 of donation. If you can be part of that, if you wish to be part of that, if you can refer somebody to be part of that project, please contact me. The link is in the bio. You can contact me through my WhatsApp channel or through my Telegram or through any social media. I truly do appreciate all the support, the care, the love and respect that you have been giving me as a youth mentor, serving youth that you have in your household and mine. And I truly am appreciative of that. And today I'm counting on you to take our work together collectively to the next level.